So I faced an issue when I wasn't able to turn on the hotspot. So I thought of sharing it because it was a bit tricky and I didn't find any useful video on the net. So the thing is, like, whenever you try to turn on the mobile hotspot, you are not able to do it. And when you go to the network settings and then you go to the mobile hotspot here, oops, sorry. Yeah, and when you try to turn it on, here it would say we can't set up your mobile hotspot. So forget about this. What you need to do is there are a couple of things that you need to check. First of all, you need to go to here, just a moment. Yeah. First of all, you need to go ahead and enable your hotspot using the command prompt. So what you can do is you can simply go to CMD and then run as administrator, the basic thing, which I am expecting everyone knows. So once you're done with it, I'm just trying to cover everything which I've already done. So I don't want to show you everything from the scratch. So the thing is, like, first of all, what you need to do here is you need to open command prompt with the as an administrator, and once you're done, then you need to go ahead and check this command. It's available on the Microsoft link as well. You can also go and check there by yourself, but that's what is it? It's NETSH space WLAN, NETSH space WLAN show drivers, space show space drivers. Okay, so this is the command. Oh, sorry, out of focus. Yeah, so this is the command that you need to type in and hit enter. So once you hit enter, after that you need to go ahead and scroll down and you will see an option that would say just a moment. So it's gonna show something, yeah, hosted network supported. Okay, so if your laptop has the ability to turn on hotspot, then it would say yes. Okay, so this is what you need to check. So if it's yes, then you need to go down, you need to type another command. The command is to create a hotspot. So what you need to do is you need to set up a new command to set up a hotspot. That would be WLAN space set hotspot mode equals allow SSID. You can equals, you can put in the name and then key as the password and hit enter. So once you hit enter successfully, it will tell you the hosted network mode has been set to allow, and the SSID and the user key has been created for the same. And what you need to do is, once you're done with this, once it's been created, you'll see there is in the network adapter settings in the network and internet network connections, it will show that you have a new connection, local area connection, and you can give it a name. This is the SSID which I have selected, and then you need to simply go ahead and click on the net sh WLAN start hosted network, and then hit enter, and then the hosted network started. So this is it. Now once you have this, there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind, which actually where I was stuck. So that's this is the one which will be acted as a hotspot for you for your laptop. So what you need to do is you need to go to the properties of it, and then you need to go to the sharing. All right, so that's something. Basically what needs to be done here is this is my mobile SIM card which is inserted in it. So if I go to the sharing part on this one, it says allow other network users to connect through the computer's internet connection, and I have chosen the network local area connection L2, which is exactly my hotspot. So what I'm doing here is, this is the hotspot and this is using sharing internet of my mobile. Same way If you want to do it for Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and do that from here. So it's your choice. I have my SIM card in the laptop, so I'm using my mobile network through this local area connection. And this will, and what you can do is simply, just because every time you start it, you need to go ahead and start this connection, you know. So enable it basically. So what you can do is you can click on create shortcut. It will ask you that it can't create a shortcut here, you want to put it on the desktop. So you can go ahead and do that, and this is how it's gonna work. You can simply go to the desktop, you have your mobile. This is again a shortcut which I created for mobile. So simply right click, enable disable, yeah. And the same way you can enable disable your local area connection, right? So this is your hotspot. Now you can enable disable it, and this is the mobile network connection. You can enable disable. All right. So this is something I'm not sure. I didn't find anything specific related to why I couldn't uh, activate hotspot from here, but somehow there is a workaround and it's working fine for me. So thank you very much.